Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to tell you about 11 foods that look like those body parts they are good for. We have heard about healthy eating mantra, you are what you eat. There are many foods that have close resemblance with your body parts that are good for. Like brain boosting walnuts actually look like brain. I'm going to discuss some of them in my video. Carrot eye. If we slice a carrot in half crosswise, we can easily see a carrot resemblance with an eye. Carrots are filled with vitamins and antioxidants like beta carotene that decrease the chance of macular degeneration and hence improves our vision. Walnut brain. Folds and wrinkles of walnut resembles with brain. Shape of the nut is just like left and right hemisphere of brain. That's why walnuts are called brain food. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acid which support brain function. Next, celery bone. Long stalk of celery just look like bones and they are good for bones too. Celery is great source of silicon which gives bone their strength. Avocado uterus. The light bulb shape of avocado look like a uterus. Avocado supports reproductive health. Avocados are good source of folic acid which prevents precancerous condition. Clams testicles. Clams resembles testicles and are good for male sex organs. Clams are rich in folic acid and zinc. Hence improves quality of semen in men. Grapefruit and breast. Grapefruit contains substance called limonoids which inhibits the growth of cancer in human breast cells. Tomato and heart. Slice of a tomato is very similar to structure of heart because of lycopene in tomatoes. There is reduced risk of heart in men and women if we take tomatoes. Ginger and stomach. Shape of the ginger resembles stomach and it's very good for digestion too. Sweet potato and pancreas. Sweet potato bears a strong resemblance to pancreas and also promotes healthy function in the organ. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta carotene which is potent antioxidant that protect all tissues of body including pancreas. Mushroom ear. Structure of the sliced mushroom is very similar to the ear and it's very good for ear. Kidney beans or kidneys. Kidney beans are very much similar shape to kidney. Beans are rich in nutrients like fiber and vitamin B12. If we take these things, that is these foods, our body organs it helps in keeping our body organs healthy. If you like my video, please like, comment and share it and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.